Hey guys, it's Hilda here. So quick and honest review on this Veemagni 10x rectangle magnifying glass. It has a light and a stand, and it has a 5-color mode, which is super convenient, and it's dimmable. It has a 2-in-1 LED lighted desk lamp, and it also comes with a clamp, so you can use this in two ways, with a clamp or with the stand it comes with. And it's hands-free, which is awesome, so you can be reading or doing anything with the magnifying glass without having to actually hold the magnifying glass. So it's also great for like any kind of work that involves being very close to whatever you're doing. And I absolutely love that it's very like user friendly because the buttons in the head are super easy, which I'll show you guys later. So first I'm gonna install the metal base. So it was very easy to install. So you first twist this little screw it comes with in the little hole, and you twist it with this little tool it comes with. It's very easy to use, and you place the base and screw it very well. It took me literally 5 seconds to do it, and then you unscrew the little holding twisty thing that you hold the magnifying glass once you put it in. So here I'm just making sure it's very tight and secure. And there you have it. You have the metal base, which is a great workspace, and the magnifying glass arm is also adjustable, so you can adjust it to various positions. And here I'm going to install the clamp, which is a second option. You literally just screw it, and it's very stable. And to install the clamp to any kind of table and stuff, you just unscrew it and then screw it back. And it's very stable as well. It's not going to fall, so you can use the magnifying glass in any kind of situation. And here I'm just showing you guys that you just need to connect the magnifying glass to an outlet. And here are the buttons. You have the on and off button. Then you have 2 buttons that make the light dimmable, like brighter or not that bright. And last but not least, you have the button that changes the different temperatures of the light, which is awesome because you can choose what temperature light is okay according to what activity you're doing. So here I'm just reading, and I absolutely loved this magnifying glass. It's super great quality, and I would recommend it.